G'day guys, Justin from Battleforged Gaming. We are going to use XV88 to paint the areas that we are going to want to be gold. So this will be the little icon on the backpack as well as the hilt on the sword. You only need to use one coat of XV88 for this, as it is just a placeholder for our gold. Like the XV88, we are now going to do the same for the silver areas, but for this we're going to use standard Mechanicus grey. Again, you only need to do one coat for this, and this will be for all the areas that we want to be silver. I now varnish my models with Tamiya TS80 flat clear and then move on to the metallics. First, we are going to base coat all the areas that were standard Mechanicus with lead Belcher. The areas that we had base coated XV88 earlier, we are going to now base coat with Retributor Armour. With your Retributor Armour dry, we now apply an all-over wash of Nuln Oil to the lead Belcher areas. With the Nuln Oil wash dry, we then take some Reikland Fleshshade and apply that to all of the Retributor Armour areas. With the Reikland Fleshshade dry, we then re-layer with some Retributor Armour, picking out the high points of the sword hilt, as well as the little icon on your backpack. Adding Stormhost silver to your Retributor Armour, make a mixture of 1:1 and paint the higher points of the sword as well as the icon on the backpack, leaving some of the previous colour visible. Finally, to finish off both the gold and the silver, we will apply a single edge highlight of Stormhost silver. With that step complete, we have finished painting our model. Hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please drop us a like. And if you want to stay up to date with our other tutorials, give us a sub and take it easy, guys.